Today we are going to learn 5 new words of English and they will help you in day-to-day lives. Also, while you are reading the books, you may find these words or you can encounter these words wherever you are reading newspaper or you may even use them in daily conversation at home, office or anywhere with easy way. So these 5 words which I am going to cover today are myriad, multitude, conceit, lofty, fervent. So I am going to start the meaning of each word separately. So first is myriad. Myriad means in large quantity, many, a large number, one, copious things. So in Hindi if we will say बहुत बड़ी संख्या में, लार्ज क्वांटिटी में, लार्ज नंबर में. Now I'll explain the meaning of word multitude. Multitude means large number of people, a group of people, that we call it as multitude. मतलब बहुत सारे लोग अगर कहीं पे इकट्ठा हो या कुछ हो तो उसे बोल सकते हैं कि multitudes of peoples are gathering there. Now the third word is conceit. Conceit means arrogant, means ghamandi. So we can use it as conceited scholar. So this will be like ghamandi ज्ञानी व्यक्ति. The other word is lofty. Lofty means high. So we can use it as the adjective. So lofty buildings, we can say that means high buildings. The another word is fervent. Fervent means intense. So intense is the meaning of fervent. This can be used as if you are having craving towards something, like fervent desire to have food, fervent desires to have tea, fervent desires to go there somewhere, fervent desire to watch movie, fervent desire for a specific thing. So in this way we can use fervent. So now I'll go from the bottom and I'll start framing the sentences which you can easily relate and can easily uh, speak them whenever you are like framing the sentences. So we'll start from fervent. Like I have already told, fervent means intense, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. तो जब तुम्हें किसी चीज़ के बारे में बहुत ज़बरदस्त डिज़ायर है या फिर इंटेंस है मतलब कोई चीज़, तो उसके लिए हम fervent यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक आई एम हैविंग fervent desire to have tea right now. Now I'll move to the second last word, which is lofty. So lofty means high, something which is uprise. So means lofty buildings. In today's area, in today's time, we can see lofty apartments are there where people are living. I am having lofty goals in my life to achieve. Means you are having high goals which you wants to achieve. So in that scenario we can use lofty. And another word is conceit. So conceit, we can frame the sentences as he is a conceited student, means he is an arrogant student. One should not be conceited, means किसी को घमंड नहीं होना चाहिए. For his endeavors, for his accomplishments, one should not be conceited. We can use in this way also. Another thing is multitude. So multitude means a gathering of people. So we can use it as like multitudes arrived there to see the spot what has happened there. Multitudes gathered at the ring ceremony. Multitudes gathered near the accident scene. And you may also say it as, you can frame sentences any things where you want to convey the large number of people are there. So multitude of students appeared at the examination centers to give the exam. So in this way we can frame the sentences. The other word is, the last one is myriad. Myriad means large quantity. So we can say that myriad of options are available in market to purchase things. Myriad of options are available to study. Myriads of branches are there in graduation to get the admission into. So that is what today I wanted to cover. Thank you everyone. Please try to use these sentences in your conversation, in your writings, then only you will be able to learn them. Do let me know if you have any questions.